እንደምን አላችሁ ውድ ተማሪዎች በዛሬው ዕለት የምናየው የ12ኛ ክፍል የባዮሎጂ ትምህርትን ዩኒት 4 ነው። የዩኒት 4 ኢቮሉሽን የሚለውን ፓርት 3 እናያለን ማለት ነው። ለዛሬ ፓርት 1 እና 2 ከዚህ በፊት የተሰሩ አሉ። እዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ላይ ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። ካላያችሁ ያው መለስ ብላችሁ ወደ ኋላ ማየት ትችላላችሁ። በአጠቃላይ እዚህ ቶፒክ ላይ ከ180 እስከ 185 የሚሆኑ ጥያቄዎችን ያዘጋጀ ነው። ያው ዩኒቱ ትንሽ ሰፋ ስለሚል በጥያቄዎቹም በርከት ያሉ ናቸው። እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች እንሰራለን ማለት ነው። ባዮሎጂ ትምህርትን ከዩኒት 1 እስከ 6 ያለውን ከዚህ በፊት የተሰሩትን እና ወደፊትም ያሉትን ጥያቄዎች በመጽሐፍ መልክ አዘጋጅተናል። ይሄ መጽሐፍ ምንድነው ያዘው? ጥያቄዎቹን ከነ ማብራሪያ ማለት ነው። ልክ እዚህ ጋር ይሄ ጥያቄውን በእንደዚህ መልኩ ይይዝና መልሱን ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር ልክ በመታዩት መልኩ ከጀርባ ማለት ነው አንሰር ያለ ይዟል ማለት ነው። እነዚህን ይሄን መጽሐፍ ምንድነው ካለ አስተማሪ በቂ ኖት በቂ ማብራሪያ በቂ የሆነ ኤክስፕላኔሽን ስላለው አንሰር ይልና ዜን ኤክስፕላኔሽን አስቀምጧል ለእያንዳንዱ ጥያቄ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ይሄንን መጽሐፍ ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ ኬሚስትሪ እንዲሁም ባዮሎጂ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጡት አድራሻዎች መሰረት ማግኘት ይችላላችሁ። ጻፉልን፣ ኤስኤምኤስ አድርጉልን በስልክ ቁጥራችን እንዲሁም ደግሞ በቴሌግራም አድራሻችን ማለት ነው። እንዲሁም ደግሞ ቴሌግራም ቻናል ያለን እሱ ቻናል ላይም የበለጠ መረጃውን ማግኘት ይችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ዜን ለዛሬ ወደ ጥያቄዎቹ እንሂድ። 61 which of the following is true about the process of radiometric dating? A. Radiometric dating can only be used on fossils older than 1 million years. B. The half-life of radiometric isotope is constant and independent of the environmental conditions. C. The radiometric radio of parent to daughter isotope does not change over time. D. Radiometric dating only work for fossils found in volcanic rocks. Okay, B. The half-life of a radiometric isotope can constant and independent of environmental conditions ማለት ነው። ይሄ half life የሚባለው የራዲዮሜትሪክ አይሶቶፕ ኮንስታንት ነው and used to estimate the age of fossils የፎሲል የቅሪተ አካልን እድሜ ለመግለጽ ኤክስፕሌን ለማድረግ የሚያገለግል ነው ማለት ነው። it's independent on external conditions like temperature እና pressure ላይ ምንድነው ኢንዲፔንደንት ነው ማለት ነው። 62 what is the primary purpose of stratigraphy in paleontology? A. To identify the species of the organism in the fossil. B. To establish the age of a fossil based on its placement in rock layers. C. To determine the genetic relationship between species. D. To analyze the environmental conditions at the time of fossil was formed. B. To establish the age of a fossil based on its placement in rock layers ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ይሄኛው ስትራቲግራፊ የሚባለው ማለት ነው። it helps determine the relative age of fossil by analyzing their position in layers of sedimentary rocks የንብርብር አለት ላይ ያለውን ምንድነው ፖዚሽን በማየት ማለት ነው። with the oldest fossils being found in the lowest state ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ lowest strata ላይ የሚገኘው ኦልደር ነው ማለት ነው። ከላይ ከፍ ብሎ ያለው ደግሞ ያንገር ነው የሚል የፎሲልን እንትን የምናቀበት ኤጅ የምናቀበት ነው ማለት ነው። 63 what does the term half life refers to in radiometric dating? A. The time required for a sample to reach its maximum age. B. The time it takes for half of a radium active isotope to decay. C. The time it takes for a mineral to fossilize. D. The time it takes for a rock to form into layers. B. The time it takes for half of radio active isotope to decay ማለት ነው so half life is the time required for half of the atoms in sample of radioactive isotope to decay into a stable daughter isotope ማለት ነው okay 64 which technique is used to date fossils that are millions of years old beyond the range of radiocarbon dating A. Potassium argon dating B. Uranium lead dating C. Carbon 14 dating D. Electron spin resonance A. the potassium argon dating ማለት ነው ኦኬ ይሄ ፖታሲየም ዴቲንግ ምንድነው ፖታሲየም አርገን ዴቲንግ የሚባለው ምንድነው used to date fossils and rocks that are millions of years old which is beyond the range of carbon 14 dating ማለት ነው 65 how do similar patterns of embryonic development support the theory of evolution A. They show that species have never shared common ancestors. B. They suggest that similar genetic programs lead to similar developmental outcomes. C. They demonstrate that all species develop in exactly the same way. D. They prove that organisms don't evolve over time. B. They suggest that similar genetic programs lead to similar developmental outcomes ማለት ነው okay similar patterns of embryonic development suggest that species share genetic programs that guide their early development providing evidence for common ancestor እንዳላቸው ያው ኤቪደንስ ነው ማለት ነው 66 what does absolute dating determine in the context of fossils A. The relative position of the fossils in rock layers. B. The exact number of years since an event occurred. C. The type of environment in which the fossil lived. D. Evolutionary relationships between species. B. The exact number of years since the event occurred ማለት ነው okay the absolute dating gives a precise age of the fossil or rock typically using radiometric techniques 67 which of the following statement is true about the fossil record A. It contains an unbroken sequence of every organism that ever lived B. It provides a comprehensive record for all extant species. C. It shows the gradual changes in species over time, supporting evolution. D. It contains only fossilized bones, excluding other forms of fossils. Okay, C. It shows the gradual change in species over time supporting evolution ማለት ነው ስለዚህ ስለ ፎሲል ሪከርድ ትሩ የሆነው ምንድነው ፎሲል ሪከርድስ show evidence of gradual changes in the species it supports ምንድነው the evolutionary theory ማለት ነው showing the organism changed over time 68 which of the following is the key characteristic of fossilization process A. Fossils form only from plants not animals B. Fossilization is more likely to occur in dry hot environments C. Fossils are typically formed from soft tissue D. Fossils can form from hard parts of organisms like bones or shells Okay, D. Fossils can form from hard parts of organisms like bones or shells ማለት ነው okay so fossilization typically occurs when hard parts of the organisms ቦን ቲዝ እና ሼል የሚባለው አካባቢ ማለት ነው are preserved while soft tissues unusually decay ማለት ነው። usually decay ናቸው እነዚህ ሶፍት ቲሹ የሆኑት ያው ለፎሲላይዜሽን አይገለግሉም እንደ ቅሪተ አካል ሆኖ ለቅሪተ አካል ምርምር ብዙ ጊዜ የሚያገለግለው የቦንስ ወይም ቲዝ ወይም ደግሞ ሼልስ የሚባለው ነው ማለት ነው። 69 which of the following is an example of type 1 fossil? A footprint left in the soft mud. B an imprint of a leaf on a rock. C a piece of dinosaur bone encased in a rock. D a burrow made of a small mammal. Okay, C a piece of dinosaur bone encased in a rock ማለት ነው። Okay, this is the type 1 fossils. ይሄኛው type 1 fossil የሚባለው it's direct remains of an organism such as bones, teeth or shell የምንለው ማለት ነው። whereas trace fossils like footprints or burrows provide indirect evidence እነዚህ ደግሞ footprint or ደግሞ burrows የሚባለው indirect evidence የሚሰጡ ናቸው። እነዚህ type 1 ግን direct evidence የምንላቸው ናቸው የአጥንት ቅሬታ አካል የሚባሉት ማለት ነው። 70 how is radiometric dating used in the relative dating? A it helps to establish a direct age for each rock layer. B it is used in the conjunction with the stratigraphy to determine relative age. C it measures the amount of radioactive carbon in fossils. D it is used to date only sedimentary rocks. B it is used in conjunction with stratigraphy to determine relative ages ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ስለዚህ ይሄ ራዲዮሜትሪክ ዴቲንግ የሚባለው provides absolute dates. Radiometric dating provides absolute dates that can be compared with relative dating methods like stratigraphy to establish the age of the fossils and rocks ማለት ነው። chronological order ለማስቀመጥ የምንጠቀምበት ማለት ነው። 71 what is the best definition of natural selection? A the process by which individuals with the most favorable traits survive and reproduce, passing on those traits to offspring. B the random changes in DNA over time. C the selective breeding of organisms by humans. D the migration of individuals between populations. Okay, A the process by which individuals with the most favorable traits survive and reproduce, passing those traits off to the spring ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የናቹራል ሴሌክሽን ማለት ለአካባቢ ተስማሚ መሆን ማለት ነው። ለአካባቢ ተስማሚ ሲሆን ደግሞ ምንድነው ሰርቫይቭ ለማድረግም ሪፕሮዱስ ለማድረግም አካባቢውን አዳፕት ማድረግ ፋቮራብል መሆን ነው እና ያንን አካባቢ ተስማምቶ ልጆቻቸውን ወልደው ከትውልድ ወደ ትውልድ የማስቀጠል ሂደት ነው ይሄኛው ናቹራል ሴሌክሽን የሚባለው። 72 what is the result of directional selection? A the population rates shift toward one extreme. B the population's trait remains stable over time. C both extremes of the population's traits are favored. D the population's genetic diversity decreases drastically. A the population trait shift towards one extreme ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ዳይሬክሽናል ከተባለ in the directional selection one extreme phenotype of favored over the others leading to the shift the population traits towards the extreme ማለት ነው። Okay, 73 which type of natural selection favors individuals with traits near the average? A stabilizing selection, B. disruptive selection, C. directional selection, D. speciation. A. stabilizing selection ማለት ነው። So stabilizing selection favors individuals with traits near average, reducing the number of individuals with extreme traits ማለት ነው። 73 in which scenario would disrupt selection most likely occur? A. when the environment favors a middle range of traits. B. when there is an extreme environmental change. C. when two distinct environments create pressures that favor both extremes of trait. D. when the population is small and isolated. C. when two distinct environments create pressures that favor both extremes of a trait ማለት ነው። So disruptive selection occurs when both extremes of trait favored by different environmental pressures. So it's often leading to two distinct groups within a population. 75. What is an example of antibiotic resistance in bacteria demonstrating natural selection? A. Bacteria randomly mutate and become resistant to antibiotics without selection pressure. B. Bacteria with advantageous mutations survive and reproduce while others die due to antibiotic treatment. C. all bacteria becomes resistant after exposure to antibiotics. D. antibiotic resistance is passed on through horizontal gene transfer without any natural selection. B. bacteria with advantageous mutation survive and reproduce while others die due to antibiotic treatment ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ አንዳንዶቹ በአንቲባዮቲክ ትሪትመንት ዳይ ይሞታሉ፣ አንዳንዶቹ ደግሞ ሰርቫይቭ ያደርጋሉ ማለት ነው። ሶ antibiotic resistance in bacteria is an example of natural selection ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ባክቴሪያ ናቹራል ሴሌክሽን አማካኝነት አንቲባዮቲክን ሬዚስት ያደርጋሉ ነው። where bacteria with mutation that provide resistance survive and reproduce passing on those traits to the future generation ማለት ነው። 76 which of the following is correct definition of species? A group of organisms that share a smaller habitat. B. a group of similar organisms capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offspring. C. a group of organisms that look alike. D. a group of organisms that share the same biochemical makeup. Okay, B. a group of similar organisms capable of interbreeding and producing fertile offspring ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሶ ስፒሺስ ስንል ምንድነው? ግሩፕ ኦፍ ኦርጋኒዝም ነው that interbreed የሚያደርገው and produce fertile offsprings. 77 how does natural selection lead to speciation? A. it ensures that all members of a population adapt to the environment at the same rate. B. it causes gradual changes in population's genetic makeup leading to the formation of new species. C. it prevents populations from diverging into different species. D. it results in the extinction of less adapted populations. Okay, B. it causes gradual changes in the population's genetic makeup leading to the formation of new species ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ over time natural selection causes genetic differences between populations leading to the formation of new species through the process of speciation ማለት ነው። 77 what is the major difference between convergent and divergent evolution? A. Convergent evolution leads to species becoming more genetically similar, with divergent evolution leads to them becoming more different. B. Convergent evolution occurs in similar environments while divergent evolution occurs in different environments. C. Divergent evolution results in the formation of new species while convergent evolution does not. D. Divergent evolution occurs more rapidly than convergent evolution. A. Convergent evolution leads to species becoming more genetically similar. ሲሚላር የሆኑ ጄኔቲካሊ ምንድነው ኮንቨርጀንት እንላለን ማለት ነው። ዳይቨርጀንት ከሆኑ ደግሞ ዲፍረንት የሆኑ ማለት ነው። 79 which of the following is an example of divergent evolution? A. The development of wings in bats and birds. B. The development of similar body shapes in dolphins and sharks. C. The variation of beak shape in the Darwin's finches. D. The evolution of similar color pattern in unrelated species. Okay, C. The variation in beak shape in the Darwin's finches ማለት ነው። ይሄ different beak shapes in Darwin's finch are an example of divergent evolution ማለት ነው። Whereas species with a common ancestor evolve different traits due to different environmental pressures ማለት ነው። 80 what does stabilizing selection typically favor in a population? A. Organisms with extreme traits. B. Organisms with average traits. C. Organisms that are most adaptable to change. D. Organisms with high genetic diversity. B. Organisms with average traits ማለት ነው። Okay, stabilizing selection favors organisms with traits that are near the average, reducing variations and promoting the stability of the population ማለት ነው። 81 which of the following is an example of parallel evolution? A. The development of similar traits in unrelated species exposed to similar environmental conditions. B. The gradual divergence of two populations into distinct species. C. The evolution of similar traits in closely related species due to similar environmental pressures. D. The spread of traits through a population via genetic drift. Okay, C. The evolution of similar traits in closely related species due to similar environmental pressure ማለት ነው። Okay, so ይሄ parallel evolution occurs when the closely related species evolve similar traits. 82 what is the key factor in natural selection that leads to adaptation? A. Random genetic mutations. B. Environmental factors and survival pressures. C. Inbreeding within a population. D. Mating preferences. B. Environmental factors and survival pressures ማለት ነው። Okay, natural selection is driven by environmental factors and survival pressures that favor certain traits, leading to the adaptation of population over time. 83 in antibiotic resistance, why do some bacteria survive after antibiotic treatment? A. They are genetically identical to non-resistant bacteria. B. They undergo rapid genetic mutation that allows them to resist the drug. C. They develop resistance through horizontal gene transfer only. D. They are already immune to antibiotics before exposure. B, they undergo rapid genetic mutation that allows them to resist the drug ማለት ነው። Okay. 84, how does natural selection contribute to the process of evolution? A, it leads to random change in allele frequency in population. B, it favors traits that increase survival and reproduction, leading to the gradual change of the population's gene pool over time. C, it causes all organisms in the population to evolve at the same time, at the same rate. D, it eliminates all genetic mutations from a population. B, it favors traits that increases survival and reproduction, leading to the gradual changes of a population's gene pool over time ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ሶ ይሄኛው ለምንድነው ናቹራል ሴሌክሽን ለኢቮሉሽን የሚያገለግለው ማለት ነው። 85, what is divergent evolution? A, evolution that occur when species from different ancestors evolve to share traits. B, evolution where unrelated species independently evolve similar traits. C, evolution that occurs when species of a common ancestor become increasingly different due to different environmental pressures. D, evolution that happens when species remain identical due to similar habitats. C, evolution that occurs when species of a common ancestor become increasingly different due to different environmental pressures ማለት ነው። ኦኬ so the divergent evolution occurs when two or more related species become increasingly different due to adaptation to different environments. 86, which of the following is an example of convergent evolution? A, the evolution of different bird species with similar beaks for eating seeds. B, the development of wings in bats and birds. C, the evolution of different types of mammals in different continents. D, the adaptive radiation of Darwin's finches. Okay, B, the development of wings in bats and birds ማለት ነው። ይሄ ኮንቨርጀንት ማለት ያው ሲሚላር የሆነ እንትን ማለት ነው አይደል? Convergent evolution occurs when species of different ancestors evolve similar traits ማለት ነው። 87, parallel evolution occurs when A, two species evolve similar traits while occupying the same habitat. B, two unrelated species evolve independently but maintain similar traits. C, species evolve to share traits in response to convergent environmental pressure. D, species become reproductively isolated due to geographic barriers. Okay, B, two unrelated species evolve independently but maintain similar traits ማለት ነው። ይሄ parallel evolution እንለዋለን። 88, what type of species occur when a physical barrier such as mountain range and separate two populations? A, symmetric speciation. B, allopatric speciation. C, parallel speciation. D, divergent speciation. B, allopatric speciation ይባላል። ይሄ allopatric speciation happens when the geographic barriers በተራሮች በወንዞች ሰፓሬት የሆኑ ፖፑሌሽንስ ማለት ነው እና ደግሞ ሪፕሮዱስ የሚደረጉ አይሶሌትሊ ሪፕሮዱስ ይደራረጋሉ ማለት ነው። ሶ ይሄኛው allopatric speciation እንለዋለን። 89, sympatric speciation occurs when A. Species evolve in two different species due to the geographic separation. B. A new species evolves in the same geographic area as the parent species. C. Two species evolve similar traits due to the shared environmental pressures. D. Species evolve because of mutations that prevent them from interbreeding. B. A new species evolves in the same geographical areas the parent species ማለት ነው። ኦኬ 90 የመጨረሻ ጥያቄ ነው። what is polyploidy in plants? A. A condition where plants have fewer chromosomes than normal. B. A condition where plants have more than two sets of chromosomes. C. A form of natural selection in plants. D. A type of species caused by geographic isolations. B. A condition where plants have more than two sets of chromosomes ማለት ነው። ይሄ ፖሊፕሎይዲ plants እንለዋለን። So polyploidy involves the duplication of chromosome sets leading to plants with multiple sets of chromosomes ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ multiple sets of chromosomes ሲኖራቸው polyploidy እንለዋለን ማለት ነው። in plants ማለት ነው። ኦኬ ለዛሬው ፓርት 3 ጥያቄና መልስ በዚሁ ጨርሰናል። ፓርት 4 ይቀጥላል። ይህንን የባዮሎጂ ትምህርት በጣም በርካታ ጥያቄዎች ናቸው እንደምታዩት። እነዚህም በርካታ ጥያቄዎች ከዩኒት 1 እስከ ዩኒት 6 የያዘ በመጽሐፍ መልክ አዘጋጅተናል። ፒዲኤፉን ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ መሰረት ማግኘት ትችላላችሁ። እንደዚሁም የ12ኛ የ11ኛ ከ9 ጀምሮ ያሉትን የተለያዩ የትምህርት አይነቶችን በመጽሐፍ መልክ አዘጋጅተናል። እነሱን ከፈለጋችሁ እዚህ ጋር በተቀመጠው አድራሻ መሰረት ኮንታክት አድርጉን፣ ጻፉልን በቴሌግራም አድራሻችን፣ እንዲሁም ደግሞ ወደ ስልካችን ኤስኤምኤስ መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ። የቴሌግራም ቻናላችንን ጆይን ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። ይቀጥላል። ያው ሌሎች የትምህርት አይነቶችንም እንደዚሁ እየሰራን እንቀጥላለን። ሌሎች የሞዴል ኤግዛሞችን እንሰራለን። የባለፉት አመታት የኢንትራንስ ኤግዛሞችንም አብረን እንሰራለን። ለዚህ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል አዲስ ከሆናችሁና ሰብስክራይብ ካላደረጋችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ቤተሰብ ሆኖ አብረን እንቀጥላለን። በሚቀጥለው በሌላ ቶፒክ እስከምንገናኝ ሰላም ሁኑ።